In today's digital age, social media has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their audience. However, many struggle to effectively engage and capture the attention of their target market. If you find yourself in this predicament, fear not. This article will unveil 10 proven strategies that will help you unlock the secrets of successful audience engagement on social media. Know your audience. To truly engage your audience, it is crucial to understand who they are and what they want. Take the time to research and analyze your target market's demographics, interests, and online behaviors. By gaining insights into their preferences and needs, you can tailor your content specifically to resonate with them. Create compelling content. Content is king when it comes to engaging your audience on social media platforms. Develop high-quality content that educates, entertains, or inspires your followers. Utilize a mix of formats such as videos, images, infographics, or blog posts to keep your feed diverse and captivating. Be authentic. Authenticity builds trust with your audience like nothing else can. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses into your business operations or showcase real-life customer stories that demonstrate how your products or services have made a positive impact in their lives. Spark conversations. Social media is all about fostering conversations and building relationships with your followers. Encourage interaction by asking questions in captions or creating polls for them to participate in. Respond promptly to comments and messages from users who engage with your posts. This shows that you value their input. Use influencer marketing. Leverage the power of influencers within your industry by partnering with them for collaborations or sponsored posts on social media platforms. Influencers already have established credibility among their followers, which can greatly enhance engagement levels for brands. Optimize posting times. Timing plays a critical role in maximizing audience engagement. Analyze your social media insights to determine the most active times when your followers are online. Schedule your posts accordingly to ensure maximum visibility and interaction. Utilize hashtags. Hashtags are a powerful tool for expanding the reach of your social media content. Research trending or industry-specific hashtags that are relevant to your brand and incorporate them strategically into your posts. This will increase the chances of attracting new followers who may be interested in what you have to offer. Run contests and giveaways. Who doesn't love freebies? Running contests or giveaways on social media platforms is an effective way to incentivize audience engagement. Encourage users to like, share, or comment on specific posts for a chance to win exciting prizes related to your brand. Analyze your metrics. Regularly monitor and analyze the metrics of your social media campaigns. Pay attention to engagement rates, reach, click-through rates, and other key performance indicators, KPIs. By identifying what works well and what doesn't, you can refine your strategies for even better results in the future. Stay consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to building an engaged audience on social media platforms. Develop a posting schedule that aligns with the preferences of your target market and stick with it. This will help establish expectations among followers regarding when they can expect fresh content from you. By implementing these 10 proven strategies for successful audience engagement on social media platforms, you will unlock new levels of connection with your target market. The more engaged they become, the higher likelihood they will convert into loyal customers. Increasing customer loyalty ultimately leads towards long-term success for any business. In conclusion, mastering audience engagement on social media requires dedication, time, and strategic planning. It's not enough just having a presence. You must actively engage with those who follow you by creating compelling content, knowing their preferences, and sparking meaningful conversations. Building trust through authenticity and leveraging influencers will further enhance your engagement levels. Optimizing posting times, using hashtags, running contests, and analyzing metrics will help you refine your strategies for maximum impact. Remember to stay consistent in your efforts as it takes time to build a loyal and engaged audience. Unlock the secrets of successful audience engagement on social media by implementing these proven strategies today.